So why is it called a gate valve?
So with the tripod positioned over this new one, I'll simply turn the handle. You can see the gate right here inside, and it's new, so it takes a little bit of effort, but after you exercise the valve back and forth some, it becomes easier. You can see the gate move. The blue you see in there is the plastic cap on the other side of this flange, the flange on the other side. It's just a factory seal to keep any debris from getting in there. To close the gate valve, simply turn the wheel or handle the opposite direction. So by simply turning this handle counterclockwise, you move this threaded shaft to open the gate, or turn it clockwise to close the gate, hence a gate valve.